A very good evening to all the Vivites who are watching from India. A very good morning to all the Vivites who are watching me live from United States of America. Well, dear friends, this is the exclusive Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor, which is telecasted, which is broadcasted on a daily basis on our Facebook pages. Well, my dear friends, this is the Indus Viva INC Facebook page live, which is brought to you live every Friday night 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which is around about 11:30 a.m. in the United States of America, my dear friends. Well, I'll be talking exclusively on this wonderful product Ayurved, which is launched in the United States of America last year. So I'll be telling about some of the major ingredients and health benefits of this wonderful product on each and every Facebook live broadcast that we have on Indus Viva INC. Well, my dear friends, as a general rule, I would like to tell you that I'll be talking about a short topic on this wonderful product Ayurved. So if you have any queries, so please do shoot me your queries right now until I end a short topic on this wonderful product. So after that, I'll be able to take up your question and answers. So my dear friends, one more thing, I would also like to request you, if someone is not able to watch this, I would like to request you to host watch parties, as well as share this particular video on other social media platforms as well, so that each and everyone gets benefited by understanding this wonderful product Ayurved. Well, my dear friends, so without much delay, I would like to start this wonderful product Ayurved. So Ayurved is based on the concept of advanced Ayurveda. Well, advanced Ayurveda is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world, in fact. So in fact, advanced Ayurveda is nothing but the ancient or traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by modern science and technology. That is what is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda, my dear friends. So this is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world. In fact, advanced Ayurveda is something which is derived from the traditional Ayurveda and validated by microbiology. It is validated by the analytical chemistry as well as the instrumentation technologies, which are very modern and sophisticated in nature, and by which we have incepted a product. The inception of Ayurveda has happened because of all these scientifically validated measures, and that is the reason why we call Ayurveda is a product which is based on advanced Ayurveda, and this is what is validated by modern science and technology. So Ayurveda is a 100% natural product, which is a unique product. I call this unique because this is validated by modern science and technology, even though it is propelled by the ancient science of Ayurveda. This is a 100% natural formulation based on advanced Ayurveda, and this is also called as a holistic formulation. In the sense, it has its health benefits from head till the toe. It is not which is organ oriented, it is not a product which is tissue oriented. So this is a product which is the whole human body oriented. This is a reason why we call this product as a holistic health supplement or a dietary supplement in simple words. Well, this is composed of the 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations along with the richness of the antioxidant fruits, which includes the acai berry as the major fruit, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, Ayurveda is a product which contains 50 herbal ingredients in it, 50 ingredients which are derived from 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations and richness of antioxidant fruits, which have preventive attributes towards various benefits, or in fact the health benefits are numerous, which can be derived out of Ayurveda, my dear friends, along with its the management aspect of the diseases as well. Well, so far as the FDA is concerned in the United States, suppose if someone is watching from India and if your part of the network is in the US or if your clients are in the US, the information should be conveyed to them in this way. The US FDA, so far as the traditional products are concerned, is worried about 2 important things. One is called as the packaging, the second is called the manufacturing. See, the US FDA is not validating any traditional health benefits or claims. The products like Ayurveda are actually categorized as traditional health supplement products in the US. We call it as THPs under the US FDA. In fact, it always requires the traditional claims or benefits which are derived from the age-old Ayurvedic textbooks back in India. So the country of origin always remains India, where the manufacturing happens in the United States of America and the packaging also happens in the United States of America. That is the reason why the US FDA is more concerned about the packaging, where the labeling has to be compliant with the US FDA norms, which we are already complying with. And along with that, the manufacturing has to comply with the US FDA, where the factory or the manufacturing facility where we manufacture our products has to be validated by the US FDA. And in our case, so both these points, the packaging as well as the manufacturing, have been validated by the US FDA. That is the reason why FDA doesn't really validate the ancient claims and benefits, whereas these 2 points, what I told you, the packaging as well as the manufacturing, are the 2 points where the US FDA is very strict, and we are 100% compliant with these 2 points as well, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So going ahead, as you all know that Ayurveda has 4 important health benefits based on the traditional claims that we have: the brain health, the gut health support, the liver health support, as well as the heart health support, my dear friends. So again, the benefits what I am uttering right now, the traditional claims are absolutely mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda. We call it as the Federal Formulary of India as well. Well, these traditional claims will not be validated by the US FDA. So this particular statement can be seen on the packaging of our product as well. If someone has gone through the packaging of Ayurveda, you can clearly see a disclaimer in an yellow box which says that the claims or the benefits have not been validated by the US FDA, my dear friends. So these things have to be considered as a mantra whenever you are trying to promote this product in the United States. I hope the points are clear to everyone. So going ahead, my dear friends, so today I am going to concentrate on one of the important claims or the benefits that we are making in this product Ayurveda, called as the gut health, which is very important. See, gut health is one thing which is connected to the immunity as well. See, gut health is always associated with your immunity. See, normally we call all our Indus Viva products as frontline immune boosting products, because the herbal ingredients, the botanical extracts which are present in our products are actually considered or categorized as frontline immune boosting ingredients as well. So your gut plays a very important role so far as your immunity is concerned. So whenever you take care of your gut health, automatically your immunity is also kept upright. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So unhealthy gut is a risk factor for COVID-19. See, this is one of the articles which has been recently published on 6th of August 2020 in one of the online blogs called as the Health Mania. So unhealthy gut is a risk factor for COVID-19. Not many people know, but nearly 80% of the immunity comes from the good gut. So a healthy functioning gut is essential for an active immunity. I hope my point is clear. 80% of the people on this planet do not know that their immunity is coming from their gut health. That is the reason why you have to have a very good gut in order to have very active immunity. See, you see the point here. Whenever you are not taking care of your, in the sense, gut includes your digestive system. If someone is not knowing what exactly gut is, your gut starts from your mouth, or we call it as the oral orifice. It ends with the anal orifice, which exactly means it is a digestive system, which is nothing but your gut. So the gut is also used as a synonym for your intestines as well. We call intestines also in the form of colon or gut sometimes. So this is actually a gastrointestinal tract, what I'm trying to speak about here. So whenever your GI system is proper, automatically your immunity is also kept upright. This is what the whole issue of gut health is all about, my dear friends. So gut health, see, as I've been telling you, see, most of the people in the United States of America, even today for that matter, the gut health is one important point that they have to consider, because most of the American diet is fully of fat, processed fat, as well as the protein rich diet that most people are using. But their fiber consumption as compared to the Indian diet is very, very less. This is one point that people have to consider there, because once the fiber consumption is less, automatically your gut health is impaired. So whenever the gut health is impaired, normally people take a lot of probiotics, the xenobiotics. We also have something called as the symbiotics these days, which is a combination of pre and probiotics. All these things are taken just to maintain gut health, my dear friends. So once the gut health is maintained, only then you can have proper immunity. Now the researchers are clearly saying that most of the people who have succumbed to this COVID-19 infection in the US, their gut health was actually impaired. This is a real fact, because not from 2020 I am speaking here. It is probably from 50 years from, 50 years from today. When you look into the past or the history, automatically the gut health actually played a very bad role in the US health actually. So in fact, because of the diet consumption, because of the the usability of the fibers in the diet, all these things played a very important role to decide the gut health of the people there. So that is the reason why to maintain the gut health plays a very important role in keeping up your immunity upright. This is very important. So by the consumption of Ayurveda, what exactly you can have is, you can have the wonderful gut health by which your active immunity inside your body can be kept upright. This is what exactly happens whenever you are consuming Ayurveda, my dear friends. So, have you ever wondered? See, I would like to tell you about a simple article here which was published again on August the 6th, 2020 in a magazine called as Gut Health and the Mind. So again, I'm trying to repeat these things for you. This was published on August the 6th, 2020 in an article called as Gut Health and Mind. The article goes something like this. Have you ever wondered why you have butterflies in your stomach? This is one proverb that, kind of a general statement that people make. I have butterflies running around my, stomach, running in your stomach. So this is actually a simile for your hunger or the appetite. But have you ever wondered why you have butterflies in your stomach when you are stressed up? This is very important. Whenever you are stressed up, sometimes you have the feeling of hunger. So why do you run to the bathroom before speaking in front of an audience? This is also very important. Whenever we are delivering a guest lecture or whenever we are doing a training or whatever it is for that matter, we normally go to our nature calls first, and followed by all these things are going to start, because we are stressed up. Even before the program or after the program or during the program or whatever the issue that is, the stress levels are there in your body. Because of this, we try to do all these things. These are clear examples of how your gut responds to stress. So whenever you have this stress, your gut is actually responding. So there is a gut-brain connection that links the nervous system with your digestive system. This is very important. Your gut is always connected to the brain. That is the reason why whenever you smell some of the food items, automatically your gut starts stimulating more and more acidic secretions, and your salivation also increases. More and more saliva also comes into your mouth, because you are thinking about a food material that you like of, or you are having a food material in front of you in the form of, you are in a hotel just seeing the video or something like that, or even smelling that particular ingredient or the food material will cause this hypersalivation as well as increase in the gastric juices. That is the reason why your psychology as well as your gastrointestinal system is also connected to each other. This is very important. See, in the same point of time, you can also, connect a relationship between your gut as well as the immune system also. Because once you have a proper diet, and ultimately when your gut health is maintained, automatically your immunity is also kept upright, my dear friends. This is how exactly this particular concept of gut health and immunity is connected. So whenever you are consuming this Ayurveda on a daily basis, automatically your gut health will be kept upright, so that you will not be suffering from any kind of immunocompromised conditions in the future, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So now the Times of India, in one of the articles they had published this particular thing, worried about contracting COVID-19, improve your gut health. This article appeared in the month of June 5th, 2020 in the Times of India, one of the editions of Times of India. They said that keep your gut health proper so you don't have to worry about this dreadful disease called as COVID-19. Because the new strain of COVID-19 not only attacks the lungs, this is what the scientists are now claiming actually day by day. People thought that it is only affecting your lungs or the respiratory system. But at the same point of time, you should not forget that the other, the somatic organs, the other visceral organs in your body, it might be the heart, the nerves, the brain, the kidneys, the liver, the digestive tract, whatever it is, the skin also for that matter. These are all getting affected whenever this particular virus is actually incubating inside your human body. So this is what exactly is the relevance between gut health as well as immunity, my dear friends. So, how our gut health affects our emotions. The gut health is also affecting your emotions. People say you are what you eat. This is what the very old statement which is made into an English translation. The ancient textbooks of Ayurveda told the same thing 5,000 years back. You are what you eat. So, but actually, You are what you digest. That is also another important point. Eating is one part of it. Is the food really getting digested? And is the food actually giving you the proper nutrition? That is a very important question that everyone has to ask for ourselves. So that is the reason why we are in the process of making dietary supplements. We know that the diet is improper. Whenever you supplement your diet with a product like Ayurveda, so automatically you will be getting all kinds of nutrition in the form of herbal extracts as well as the health benefits also, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. That is the reason why we call this wonderful product Ayurveda as a dietary supplement product as well. It is a holistic dietary supplement product. That is how we call it. So going ahead, as you all know that why Europe and US were hit hard by this COVID-19, now that scientists are clearly coming to a conclusion that this was all about the immune system and the impairment in the immune system, which was caused by the impairment in the gut health of the people who are living there. The gut health might be impaired because of various reasons. It might be the diet, it might be the environment, it might be the addictions, it might be the habits, it might be the lifestyle, anything for that matter. So all these things contributed for the impairment in the gut health, and at the same point of time it contributed to the lack of immune system as well. So this is how exactly the gut health was impaired in people living there, which actually led to the formation of the decrease in the immunity. That is the reason why I am telling you, my dear friends, keep your gut health upright so that your active immunity inside your body will also be kept upright. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So the next important thing I want to tell you here again, Ayurveda is a product which is based on the law of similarities. We call something called as a law of similarities, which exactly means like this. So whatever happens in the external world also happens inside the human body. So we have all kinds of natural resources which are occurring in the world. It might be water. You have water inside the human body. So the second thing is you have air inside the external world. You have air inside your lungs. You have space in the external world. You have space inside your body as well. So this is exactly called as the law of similarities. On the same lines, the herbal materials or the botanical extracts which are used in the product Ayurveda, this also has a the similarity. The law of similarity applies to this as well. I'll try to explain you in this way. For example, any part of the plant resembling an organ in the human body is actually beneficial for that particular organ. This was not told today or yesterday. This was actually written in the textbooks of Ayurveda, like the Charaka Samhita or the Sushruta Samhita, dating back to 5,000 years back in the ancient India. They had identified the plants. They had identified the plants which resemble your stomach. They had identified the plants which resemble your brain. This is how exactly the plants were identified, and those medicinal plants have been used in the product like Ayurveda in order to give those health benefits to you, my dear friends. I hope the point of law of similarities is valid even today, and people should understand this as well. So this particular ingredient called as Bilvadi Leham, there is an ingredient called as Bilvadi Leham in our product, which is made out of a fruit called as the bale fruit, which is called as wood apple in English. It is called as wood apple or bale fruit in English. This is a very important ingredient which supports your gut health, because the particular fruit of bale or the wood apple resembles the shape of your gut as well as the stomach as well, in fact. So that is how it is, it is a very good ingredient for supporting your gut health, my dear friends. In fact, this Bilvadi Leham that we are speaking about, it consists of the major ingredient called as the bale fruit. It also has a lot of other herbal plants as well, the medicinal plants as well. So totally around 20 medicinal plants are present in this particular ingredient called as Bilvadi Leham. In fact, this is an ancient Ayurvedic composite formulation which is used for a variety of stomach related complaints like vomiting, nausea, low digestion. It is also a very good formulation which is known for the management of irritable bowel syndrome or the IBS, what we call as well. So this Bilvadi Leham in fact is dating back to 300 years. This is not an ingredient which is discovered today or yesterday, my dear friends. The ingredients which are used in this product are dating back to 300 years. They were identified on this planet by the ancient sages. So what exactly happens here is Bilvadi Leham is an Ayurvedic ingredient which mainly promotes your digestive strength, the metabolism, absorbs essential nutrients. It prevents the leaking of nutrients from the gut. it optimizes your gut, it reduces the irritation to the gut mucosa, supports healthy bowel movements, it promotes healthy breathing, it cleanses, it detoxifies inflammatory toxins from your intestines as well, my dear friends. So these are all the activities which are attributed to this wonderful ingredient called as Bilvadileham. So as I've told you, these are all the traditional health claims that I'm speaking about. As I told you, my dear friends, the US FDA is mostly worried about the novel claims. See, the word novel is actually circulating across the planet now. Novel means it is new. It is mostly concerned about the new claims or the benefits that we are making about the product, but all our claims are traditional claims in nature which have been documented in the textbooks of Ayurveda. So US FDA doesn't have a problem with this, my dear friends. So this Bilvadileham consists of this wonderful ingredient called as bale fruit. We also call it as wood apple. Botanically or scientifically, this is called as Agel marmelos. If someone has gone through the packaging of Ayurveda, you can actually find out this wonderful ingredient in the name called as Agel marmelos. In fact, this is a wonderful hepatoprotective or the liver protective fruit. It is also a very good antioxidant fruit. It reduces the persistence of ulcers are reduced, the prevalence of ulcers are reduced. It is a very good anti-diabetic fruit as well. It reduces diarrhea, inflammation, reduces fever. It has anti-malarial as well as anti-cancer activities as well, my dear friends. Again, as I told you, these are all traditional health claims and not validated by the US FDA. Again, this point has to be clearly understood by the people. So far as the health benefits of bale fruit are concerned, it controls cholesterol, relieves constipation, it reduces skin rashes as well, it increases the breast milk, it purifies the blood, it controls diabetes, it has antimicrobial properties, it has anti-inflammatory properties as well, my dear friends. So these are all the traditional health attributes of this wonderful ingredient called as bale, or we call it as Bilvadileham, which is written on the packaging of Ayurveda as well. So as you all know that Ayurveda is a wonderful herbal supplement which is used for maintaining the health in a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease as well, my dear friends. So not only this is not a replacement for the mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with other medications also. It has least to no side effects. This is very, very important. So far as the dosage of this particular Ayurveda is concerned, it is always important for you to consume 30 ml, that is 1 fluid ounce of Ayurveda in the morning, which is half an hour before your breakfast, and 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce in the night, half an hour before your dinner. This is how Ayurveda has to be consumed. It is 30 ml twice, half an hour before food. So Ayurveda can be consumed across all age groups and gender without any problems or the side effects. For better results, it is always better to consume Ayurveda above 6 years of age in children till 100 years of age. So this is how Ayurveda is actually used. Ayurveda should be used as a dietary supplement. Well, before starting Ayurveda or during the course of Ayurveda, it is always important for you to consult your healthcare provider or the personal physician. Suppose if you have any doubts on your health or any clarifications on the diseases as well. So this particular statutory statement is also made on the packaging of Ayurveda as well, my dear friends. Suppose if you have a chance of looking at the Ayurveda packaging in the US, you can have a look at these statutory statements as well. You should always store this Ayurveda in a cool and dry place. Whenever you open the container of Ayurveda, it is always important for you to store this in the refrigerator. So once you open the lid of the product, it is better not to be stored outside. Suppose if it is not opened, it can be stored at room temperature also. Keep out of reach of children as well as out of reach of sunlight as well, my dear friends, for better stability as well. I hope the points are clear to everyone. So with this, let us all join hands. The whole world, let it join hands to throw out this this particular pandemic which is actually creating a lot of chaos in the world today. Let us all work towards establishing the concept of wellness. Let us all throw away this illness. So thank you so much, all the Vivites back in India and back in the United States of America who are watching us live now. So thank you so much for watching. So this is a question answer time. So I'm going to take some of the questions which were asked. So the first question that I am taking here, what quantity of Ayurveda is to be given to a healthy person? So as I told you, my dear friends, it is 30 ml. In the US, we call this as 1 fluid ounce, 1 FLOZ. This is what we call. So that is one fluid ounce in the morning, which is half an hour before breakfast, and one fluid ounce in the night, which is half an hour before dinner. In Indian terminologies or in Indian measurement units, we call this as 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is by Mr. Barla Sadaya. Sugar patient removed the insulin. So can such patients who are diabetic in nature, if I'm able to correct your question, diabetic patients, can they use Ayurveda as well? Well, definitely yes, you can use it. You can use it as a generalized health supplement without any problems. But again, in the US, one important regulatory statement or a statutory statement that I have to tell you is, suppose if you have diabetes or any other chronic conditions, it is always better for you to consult your healthcare provider or the personal physician before you start any of the wellness supplements. This is what a generalized statutory statement that has to be made in the United States of America, my dear friends. So the next question from Ainla Lima. Is it okay to consume Ayurveda as a replacement for other supplements? You can consider using Ayurveda along with the use of other supplements also. As I have told you, all of our Indus Viva products are categorized into 4 definitions. One is a preventive, the second is holistic, because preventive in the sense they are preventive products, holistic in the sense they are complete products from head till the toe. The third is they are alternative products in the sense they can be used along with any medications or any health supplements without worrying much about the side effects, and they are complementary products as well. In fact, they produce a lot of additional health benefits also, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Milind Binde. If Mr. Milind Binde is watching this, is Ayurveda available in India? So as of now, there is no plans of launching Ayurveda in India. Ayurveda is a product which is exclusively launched for the United States of America. It will not be launched in India as of now, Mr. Milind. I hope the answer is clear. So thank you very much, all the Vivites, for posing your wonderful queries. We hope that more and more questions come to us. I would also like to request you to ask questions on our Indus Viva INC Facebook page as well. You can also send questions on our messenger. So we have implemented a system wherein your questions can be answered. You can also shoot your questions on the Facebook Messenger. And I would also like to request you to host this as watch parties so that other people who are not able to watch this live can be benefited by watching this. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient watching. I wish you all a happy weekend and happy day ahead. Have a good day ahead for all the American Vivites. Have a good night for all the Indian Vivites. Thank you so much. Bye.